Alright, so here's a review on how to do envelope gears. With the 1 million things I do at the same time, I keep forgetting on how to do stuff on Freecad. So here it is, just a quick review how to do envelope gears, and this is basically what's gonna end up doing with step downs on the XY. Very boring. Also gonna do videos later with the robotics on the with a slitting saw on the 4th axis, but how about this for now? So this is how I do it. Start fresh, discard. So file, new. We go parts design. With the motto create body, and then part design envelope gear. I've been working my number of teeth. My gear has 12 with module 1 and pressure of 24. Okay, that's my gear. So let's sped this puppy up. 10 millimeters. I work on the negative Z axis, so reversed 10. So now let me just make sure it looks good. It does. This is what I want. This, by the way, is for the Shasta pool cleaning system. It keeps breaking. I'm gonna do this out of plastic, and then if it works out, I'm gonna do it out of aluminum or bronze, depending what I have in my shop. Path. So here, I guess you gotta click on this face. Start path. Not responding. On the body, so it's not on the face, it's on the body. Let's go general, job, output, Linux, CNC. This is some of the arguments I've been using. Precision equals 3 or 4. Let's do create cylinder. Already know that this is 7.02 with a height of 10 millimeters. I'll do all these other stuff here in just a second. So here's the job. Let's add the tool I'm been working off. It's a half or 50 thousandths of an inch. Endmill. Create tool. Okay. Let's work on the tool. 30 millimeters a minute is about 1 inches per minute. 1650 is 100% of my VFD, and then I'll put 4200 on my bridge port. That looks good. And then I guess what I gotta do here is create the path around this puppy. Discard, discard, discard. I like to do start at 0. Final depth, like I said, I work on the negative Z, and step downs we'll do 2 millimeters. That's gonna look a little bit weird on the inches side, but it should be good enough. Alright, so 3 and 3 operations. I don't know what that does, so I'll turn it off. I guess that's like for big time tools, like once they get warmed. I don't know. Alright, so that looks good. I'm gonna go on export. Please first select now. Okay, yeah. Operation contour, that's what I'm exporting. Export. I've been doing it with this one. Yes. Can you do this any louder? Do you want to replace it? Yes. So like I said, so I've been working with this and Linux CNC because I've been getting good results. These are some of the arguments I've been using. If you want line numbers, it goes like this. If you want inches, it goes like this. And if you want with 4 digits of precision, this is how you do it. I already did all those 3, and unfortunately I have to click OK, then override, and then OK, because commas and brackets and everything else I try is not working like several at once. So I'm sure I'm doing something wrong. Freecad is truly, I've been loving Freecad. So this is it. So XYZ, everything is in inches, and my F is about 1. Step downs, what I said about step down is going to be a little bit weird. So about 80 thousandths per pass. And then I gotta finish, you know, I gotta do the beginning and the end. I usually do M5, M30, and up here I usually, you know, do my M3 and everything else. Alright, so this is it. Good review for me, because I'm sure I'll forget it next time I have to do a gear again, and it's free archiving on YouTube, so win-win.